to the last part of our revision, the general skills of quarter one, the powers and the roots. So in the powers, we actually have main 5 rules that are very important. So the product, for example, if you have 3 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 4. Whenever you have multiplication, we should add the powers. So 3 power 2 plus 4 is equal 3 power 6. Again, we have multiplication, so we just added the powers. Why? Let's understand that 3 power 2 is the same like 3 times 3. 3 power 4 is the same like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as if you're saying 3 power 6. So simply add the power, 2 plus 4 is 6. In the quotient rule, in the product, we added the powers. In the quotient, we subtract the powers. So if you have, let's say, again, 3 power 8 divided by 3 power 2 is equal 3 power division, subtract powers, so 8 minus 2, and the base, the 3 as it is. The base, take care, it should be the same. So 3 power 8 minus 2 is 3 power 6. The power rule, whenever you have 3 power 2 all power 5, for example, so simply we multiply the powers. So 3 power 2 times 5 is 10. Why? Let's understand that 3 power 2 all power 5, this is as if you're saying 3 power 2 times 3 power 2 times 3 power 2 again. How many times? 5 times. Times 3 power 2 times 3 power 2. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In multiplication, we add powers. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is 3 power 10. So the answer here is 3 power 10. So simply, you can just, whenever you have a power above a power, multiply them. 2 times 5 is 10. This is just for understanding. Negative, whenever you have 3 power negative 2, the negative job, if you remember, is to make switch or to flip. Let's do 1 over 3 power 2. It was 3 power negative 2. It will be positive in the denominator. So 1 over 3 power 2, which is the same like 1 over 9, because 3 times 3 is 9, or 3 power 2 is 9. Anything power 0, 3 power 0 is just 1. If you have a bracket 7x power 2 all power 0, it's also 1. So anything power 0 is just 1. Very good. This is regarding powers. What about the roots? In the roots, if you have, for example, 49, we all know that 7 times 7 is 49. So 7 power 2 is 49. So if you want to get this 7 from the 49, how? Square root 49 is 7. Why? Because 7 times 7 is 49. But note, if you have square root 9 all to the power 2, what happens here? Actually, the power 2 cancels the root, so you get 9. To understand this, what is square root 9? Is 3. So now the question is 3, and you still have power 2. 3 power 2 is 9. So this is for understanding. Simply, what should I do? The power 2 cancel the root, so you just have the 9. So again, if you have, for example, square root 81 power 2, what happens? The power 2 cancel the root, so it is 81. Let's go for our questions. So question 1, 3 power 2 times 3 power 4. Multiplication, what should I do? Add powers, excellent. 2 plus 4, 6, so 3 power 6. Division, and the same base, the 6 and 6 are the same base. 7 minus 4, so it is 6 power 3. 6 power 7 minus 4 is 6 power 3. And here, 3 power 2 plus 4 is 3 power 6. Very good. Power rule, power 3 all to the power 4. So we simply multiply 3 times 4, so it's 2 power 12. 8 power 0, anything power 0 is 1. Very good. And here, 9 power 1 is 9. So as it is, it will stay 9. 5 power negative 3, the power is negative, so this is 1 over 5 power 3. Please add it to the choices. So E here is 1 over 5 power 3. Very good. So this is the correct choice. 4 power 2 is the same like 4 times 4, which is equal 16. 9 power 2 is the same like 9 times 9, so it is equal 81. 5 power 3 is the same like 5 times 5 times 5. What is 5 times 5? 25. Multiplied by 5 again. How do you get it? 5 times 5, 25. 5 and carry up 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So the answer is 125. Very good. Rules for square roots. So this is the chart of perfect squares from 1 to 30. 1 power 2, 1, 2 power 2, 4, 3 power 2 is 9, and so on until 30 power 2. So square root 4, what is the number? By itself gives 4. It is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Square root 25, again, number by itself gives 25. So yes, it is 5. Bravo. 5 times 5 is 25. Square root 144. I want again a number by itself 2 times to get 144. What is it? 12 times 12. Excellent. Square root 36 all power 2. Again, the simplest way, as we said, cancel the power 2 with the root, so it is 36. Square root 64, number by itself is 64. It's 8. Good job. 8 times 8 is 64. Square root 81, 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. Square root 100 is just 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. 17 is similar to 13. Pause the video and try to do it. The power 2 will cancel the root, so it is just 8. Very good. Square root 4 times square root 4. Take care. Whenever it is root 4 times root 4, square root 4, multiplied by square root 4. Let's get it. The square root 4 is 2. Square root 4 again is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So briefly, square root 4 times square root 4 is just 4. Thank you so much. I really hope you will do well, inshallah, in the exam. Get enough sleep. Thank you so much. بالتوفيق إن شاء الله. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.